What is going on, everybody, and welcome to Ste F Unmasked. Today I'm going to be opening up some fan mail that you guys have sent me. We have a whole bunch of fan mail I need to open, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, for whatever reason, my camera stopped recording, so I wasn't able to actually film the unboxing of two packages. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of show you them right now. This is from Dream Big Productions, and it's a box of plushies. And these are actually pretty neat. So we got two little dinky raccoons with numbered tails, which I think is actually really super awesome. Oops, oh no, I dropped them. Okay, sorry about that. And then the last plushie is a little Christmas-styled panda bear, which I actually think is really neat. I am creating a display shelf over here, and in the future I'll make a video on all of the fan artwork and the fan items that you guys have sent me, and it'll be displayed right here. So, Dream Big Productions, thank you so much. I really wish I would have had the actual reaction of me unboxing that, because I was actually quite pleasantly surprised. So, no one's really ever sent me plushies before. So I do appreciate that very, very much. So thank you so much for that. And the second one that, again, the camera cut out was from Maria from Florida. And it was actually a advertisement for a bar. I'll show you on camera here. You can see that right there. So the drink specials right there, 2 shots, $5 house special. So if you want to follow Maria, right there, the Instagram is at the bottom right there, so feel free for that. So thank you again, Maria. I'm not an avid drinker, but hey, it's fan mail, so let's go with that, right? All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Okay, this is from Jody, and she is from Ohio, and we just got a little letter here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh no, I kind of ripping it. I got to be very careful. I don't want to destroy the contents that are inside. Okay, that was it. And I am not sure what this is. This is okay. This is really, really weird. Jody from Ohio. This is white birch tree seeds. So, thank you so much. No one's ever sent me seeds before. That's actually, now that I'm thinking about it, it's actually kind of cool that this is a very unique gift. And, wow, thank you so much. I will actually plant these, and if anything grows, I'll keep you guys informed. So, thank you so much for that. All right, we got another one here, and this is from, who is this from? Okay, this is from Joey, a.k.a. Kufu Leo. All right, and it says, to my boy CS5. Right on. He's got a little piece of artwork on it. See if I can kind of show you that without showing the address there. A little bit of artwork right there, so right on. On the back, it says, love your videos. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, let's see what Joey sent me. Don't tear it. Okay. Okay, right on. We have a folded up piece right here. Okay, it says may not be, let's see if you can see that. May not be good. All right, I'm sure it's going to be awesome. And yes, it is awesome. It's Jason Goes to Hell. Freddy versus Jason at the bottom. All right, we'll check that out right there. I love that. It's actually kind of neat because, like, the Freddy there, kind of looks like either he's got full of bullet holes or, that's obviously burn marks and stuff, but kind of looks like a pizza, and it actually looks really good. I might make a Freddy pizza tonight. Joey, thank you so much. I really love this type of stuff. Your guys' hand-drawn artwork. I absolutely love that. I need to frame everything. I've been framing a few things. I need to get everything else framed up and get them displayed on the shelf. So, Joey, thank you so much for that. Okay, the next piece of fan mail here is from Eli, and Eli is from Georgia, if I'm reading that correctly. Yep, Georgia. Okay. And it's a tiny little letter. It feels like it's got something folded up inside. I'm assuming it's a letter, probably with some artwork as well. All right, so here, Dear CS5, I love your videos. I have even made some of my own. I made a part 6, part 3, part 5, and started a part 9. I sent you this drawing, and I hope you like it. From Eli, thank you so much. This is, I love this. This is great right here. Check it out. It's got Jason and then little old me, CS5 down here. with my hat on and everything. That is really cool. Yeah, that's about what I look like to Jason. So yeah. So right on, dude, Eli, thank you so much. That's really great. I love that. You put a smile on my face, bro. Awesome. Thank you, thank you. Okay, now last but definitely not least, we have a pretty big package here. And this is from our boy, Michael Johnson, also known as Hockey Freak Johnson. Big supporter of the channel, good friend. And we're going to check it out today. Here we go. I know, I'm going to cut myself. All right, here we go. Oh, this is going to be gnarly. Okay. Where's I have a feeling this is going to be something of consistency. Oh, okay. We got a little letter right here first. Got a letter. Let me go ahead and read this here real quick. If there's personal information here, I won't state it, but let me go ahead and read this. Okay. There is some tragedy in here. I'm not going to go over any personal details, but essentially because Hockey Freak Johnson's been a huge supporter of my channel for a really long time. And he's a big fan of myself and Big Hush. I'm a fan of Big Hush as well. More or less it's stating that we have inspired him to create masks, do the things that he does. And he wants to essentially just say thank you. Again, there is some personal information in here that I'm not going to go over in detail here, but Hockey Freak Johnson, thank you so very much. Let's go ahead and see what you got or what you sent here. It is wrapped pretty good here. Ooh. Yep, they're masks. I don't know how loud that is. I'll try to mute the sound of the paper, but oh my goodness. Oh yeah, straight up. Slipknot masks. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, we got them. We got them signed on the inside there. Oh, if you can read, there we go. Oop, there. Thank you, Hockey Freak. Oh man, that feels good. You did a good job on that one. Nice. I love that one. Okay, we got a few more in here. Another mask. Awesome. Bro, look at that. Oh my goodness. I hope the camera's picking up. There's a lot of detail there. I hope the camera's picking that up. Oh, for sure. These are good quality masks. Like, these are pretty thick. Yeah, these are pretty stout, thick masks, dude. I'm loving that one. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. We got one more. Oh, get out of here, bro. Get out of town. Look at that. Yeah, the camera's not doing any justice, like, to see all the details on these. I mean, you can kind of see a little bit of them, but oh, get out of town. Oh, I'm liking that one a lot. Yeah, these are pretty good quality masks, man. I even got the eye holes opened up a little bit more. These are great. Oh, Hockey Freak, thank you so much. Yeah, these are definitely going to go on the display for sure. All right, I want to thank everybody who actually sent fan mail, and I got an opportunity to open it up here on camera. And I do know that it takes a little while for me to actually make these videos. So if you guys send something like a month or 2 months back or whatever, I may not get to it right away, so I do apologize for that. So if you yourself would like to send me some fan mail so I can do a video like this, I'm going to leave the address on the screen right up here. Once again, thank you everybody for all your love and support for the channel. And I'm really happy I can actually do these videos for you guys. So until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.